Hi, it's Katherine Greenland with Greenland Consulting, bringing you synergistic solutions for a world in transition. I'm excited to be with you on Tuesday, February 12th for the 7B Women's Luncheon right here at Sandpoint Center. I'll be talking about the power of persistence and sharing stories of my adventures as a business owner, including big wins, bold risks, and solid face plants along the way. Taking that leap of faith can mean asking for a raise, pitching a new project, ditching that 9-to-5, or starting a company of your own. You'll walk away from this event with good action items to reach that next level of success. I'll see you there.